In today's video, I'm going to show you how complete beginners are earning anywhere from $100 to $500 per day posting videos on YouTube without having to show their face and without having to have thousands of followers. But before we dive into it, I want to invite you to our workshop down below. In the description, there's a link. This training is responsible for helping thousands of people leave their 9 to 5 with affiliate marketing. So if you're interested in that, check it out. So let's go ahead and dive into the computer. As you can see here, if you were to traditionally make money online with YouTube, you have to become a YouTube partner. But before we talk about becoming a YouTube partner, there's two ways to make money with YouTube. You could either become a YouTube partner and get paid through ad revenue for all the ads that you see play on your channel, or you can get paid to be an affiliate for other products. And this is how you're going to be able to make money without having to have a ton of subscribers. Because take a look here, to become an ad partner, you must have 1,000 subscribers and you must have 4,000 hours of watch time. And that seems like a lot for a lot of people. So it's really discouraging for beginners because like, hey, I can't really make money on YouTube because it will take a lot of time for you to get that, right? Consecutively posting, consistently posting for 6 months, 12 months, 2 years even sometimes for a lot of people. They'll post and post and post and they'll never get that and they think they can't make money on YouTube, but you can. And the best way to actually make money on YouTube is through affiliate partners. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you go find another company, you partner with the company and you promote their products. So let's take a look right here. I have ClickFunnels pulled up. So if you were to go to a website like ClickFunnels or any other software, anything you think you could talk about, you got to pick a niche, but let's go to ClickFunnels and you can get a 14-day free trial. So let's say you just started and you don't have any money, you want to sign up for a free trial, you can sign up for a free trial for ClickFunnels and you could go learn it. You could go watch YouTube videos and then you could go create YouTube videos, right? But let's scroll to the bottom here. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of ClickFunnels, there's an affiliates tab. If you click affiliates, it's going to pull up the ClickFunnels affiliate program. At the ClickFunnels affiliate program, you can see it pays up to 40% monthly reoccurring commissions. So what that means, if you sign up, you become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, you get 40% monthly reoccurring commissions anytime a sell occurs. If you promote this product to a prospect and they sign up, you will get 40%. So how much does ClickFunnels cost? Let's go back to the main page and let's just look at the cost of ClickFunnels. So if I scroll to the top and click pricing, you can see that ClickFunnels is normally $97 per month or $80.40 per month if they're on the annual plan. Let's just click monthly plans because most people only do monthly plans. It's going to be $97 per month, right? So if I opened up my calculator, let me open up a calculator right here, and we do 97 times 40%. Ooh, where'd it go? Times 40%, you get $38.80 for every referral you get, and you get this reoccurring. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the affiliate sign up page. You're going to want to sign up for it, right? And this is just one software. You can go sign up for tons and tons and tons and tons of different softwares. You would literally just go search for different programs, different things. You could find stuff on YouTube, right? And then you would go create videos and post on YouTube. And like I said, you could do this without putting your face on the camera, right? You could go watch a tutorial, record a tutorial, and post the tutorial, right? So as you can see here, I have YouTube pulled up and I have ClickFunnels tutorial for beginners, how to build a sales funnel 2022, right? And what's crazy is this guy posted this in June of 2021. He just retitled, he edited the title and changed it for this year to make it rank again and be more relevant. But it has over 16,000 views. This guy's name is Stuart, and you can go watch his videos and see exactly what he did. But you can see he's not in the video. If I was to scroll through here, he's never in the video, right? And so what happens here is he's just doing a voiceover. He opened up the software, he logged into his account, he recorded a training video, and he posted it on YouTube, and it's got 16,000 views. And if he's done this every single day, well then he's probably got tons of views. He's got 136,000 subscribers, right? But if you hit show more, and you scroll down here, you can see get started with ClickFunnels here, and he has a link to ClickFunnels. This is his affiliate link, so anytime somebody clicks the link and they sign up, he'll receive a commission and it'll be reoccurring every single month until that person cancels, right? And then if you take a look, some people could sign up for the platinum plan at $297. So let's say someone signs up for $297 and they want to you get 40%, you make $118 per month reoccurring as that client remains a member of ClickFunnels, right? And you could do this without having to already have a huge following on YouTube, right? You could do this without having to have the YouTube monetization. You don't have to have 1,000 subscribers, because just think about it. If you get 100 people to watch your video and 5 people go over to ClickFunnels and sign up for ClickFunnels at $38.80 per month, where'd our calculator go? At $38.80 per month, we have 5 times $38.80. You're making $194 per month recurring. I know it's not a lot of money, but that's from one video. Now let's just do that. Say you post a video every single day for your 14-day free trial with ClickFunnels. Well, and then you get 5 people per video every day. Again, these are all hypothetical, but we do this for 14 days. You could be at $2,700 per month, right? Again, hypothetical numbers, but it's very realistic, very doable. So if you can consistently post and give people value, because people that are going to YouTube and watching these videos, they're specifically searching for this. YouTube's a search platform, so people that are coming here, they want to use ClickFunnels, they're probably considering it, and they just don't know how, right? So you could create tutorial videos, you could do comparison videos, you could compare them to another software, you could become an affiliate for like ClickFunnels versus Builderall, and then you could do a Builderall versus ClickFunnels comparison one, right? And as you do that, you could be an affiliate for both, put a link down to both, and people could go sign up for both and test which one they want and stick with whatever one they want. And the thing is, when people go watch your video, they're more inclined to become a customer for the product, because they're actively searching, how do I use this video? Or how do I use this software? How will this benefit me, right? And if they have stuck with something and you help solve a problem, they're going to click the link in the description and you're going to get your affiliate commission. And again, you get to do this without having to go, you don't have to be on camera. A lot of software tools are free. You could use, you could search free screen recording software, and you record your screen for free on your desktop. If you have a Mac, you could do it inside of your QuickTime player, right? Or you could download a software like Camtasia or something. I can leave a link in the description for that as well. But that is going to be the best way for you to start generating revenue on YouTube right now. And then if you want to even get more traffic to your videos and to your channel, you could post, after you post a long form video showing people what to do, you would post YouTube shorts and just do short form content, which is less than 60 seconds. So you could record a long video about how to do it and then post a couple shorts with clips from your long video and then edit that as well. So you don't even have to ever worry about really hitting 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time. But the more you do this, you will naturally grow your YouTube channel on the back end. It will naturally get more subscribers. It'll naturally hit that watch time. And then in the future, you'll also be able to monetize your YouTube channel with ad revenue as well. And this is where you'll get paid for placing ads on your video. So not only will you be making money with affiliate marketing, you'll be making additional money with the ads that play on your channel for when your channel does become monetized as well. So don't let the monetization thing discourage you from getting started. Go ahead and get started right now. And again, if you're interested in learning really how to do affiliate marketing on a massive scale and actually making it a full-time business, check out the link in the description below, and we will see you on the inside.